Hey, it's Noah. Welcome back to iHollywood TV. Well, grilling season is here, and we're all firing up our grills, whether it's a weeknight meal for the family or you're having guests over. Food Network personality Martita Hara says there are ways to elevate both the food and the fun. She joins us right now from New York City with some barbecue inspiration for delicious, quick meals all summer long. Martita, hi. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning to you. I'm wonderful. How are you?
I'm doing great. So nice to have you on the show. And look, you're ready for a backyard bash, aren't you, Martita?
I am so ready. I'm just waiting for you.
Well, I'll be over there soon, coming to New York in July, so I'll be there,
Awesome.
Wait for me now,
I will. I'll be waiting.
Now, Martita, start us off with two of your favorite tips to make a backyard barbecue something special.
Two things, simple things, but super important things. It's hot outside. Have beverages ready, right? Your guests are arriving. Offer them a cold beverage. Second thing, have some fun summertime, little yacht rock, whatever your favorite summer tunes are, have them playing in the background. You got cold beverages, you got music. Next we get to the grilling.
When I think of grilling, I think of steaks, but I have to tell you, cooking a steak can be intimidating, especially for me. If I cooked a steak, I probably would burn the house down. Oh, you wouldn't want me to do that. So what tips do you have for those just getting started that will cook that steak this summer?
Noah, we are going to make you a steak expert. Okay, first thing you want to do is start off with an excellent cut of beef, good quality beef. I love the Pre-Foods brand. They're grass-fed, grass-finished. So they're lean, they're nutritious, but they're packed with flavor. And I love that they have all the different cuts that we love, right? The filet, the ribeye, the New York, the burgers, whatever your favorite cut of meat is, they have it. So now we've got an excellent, good quality cut of meat. Number two. Okay, Noah, you're going to be the expert. We're patting this with a paper towel all the way around. Get all the moisture out of the beef. Then we're going to drizzle
I can do that.
Yes, it's easy. It's all easy stuff. Drizzle with some olive oil and be generous with the salt and pepper. Now we're going to let this sit here for like 20 to 30 minutes, right? Because we don't want to go cold to hot. That's a big no-no.
Right.
So this is resting 20 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're heating up the grill. It's getting hot. It's getting smoky. When that's hot and smoky, then we put the steak on the grill. This is what's going to give you, exactly, that delicious crust.
Hot in here.
Super hot in here. That delicious crust, that beautiful sear. You do 4 minutes on each side, you've got the perfect steak. Noah, you're a steak expert now.
Oh, thanks to Martita. Yes, I am. I'm a steak expert. Less than 2 minutes. That's right,
It's so easy.
It seems that summer is one of the busiest times of the year. Like, what are some easy meals for a weeknight? Because us that work all day long, we hardly have time to cook.
This is where having a properly stocked refrigerator and pantry comes in hand, and you will find these Amy Lou sausages in my refrigerator always. I love them, especially when I'm like on a time crunch. They're already cooked and they're packed with flavor. So that makes my life simple. The other thing is that there's no antibiotics, no hormones, no gluten. There's none of the bad stuff, only the good stuff. And because it's summertime and we're outside, this is what I like to do with my sausages. I put them in a foil pack like this. Then I chop up some of my favorite veggies, throw them in there, tighten that up, and I put that on the grill. It's just going to take a few minutes. Again, these sausages are already cooked. Now I can add some buns to my grill, right? Whatever bread you have in the pantry, put that on the grill also. Maybe melt some cheese on top. I don't know. Look at this sandwich. Look how amazing. Super delicious.
So tasty. Looks so good.
So tasty. Everyone in the family is going to love it. And that probably took 4 or 5 minutes to make. And now the whole family's happy. And dinner was easy for me. And I'm the queen of the world again.
Yes, you are. Queen of the world, Martita. Now, let's talk about the burgers. They're the most popular grilling item, I think, for the summer. What tips do you have to elevate a burger?
Yes, summertime is burger time. I think they mean the same thing, summertime, burger time. So, again, I love Pre because grass-fed, grass-finished, nutritious. But I also like that they take the fuss and the muss out of the burger because they have those pre-formed burgers, which just makes my life super simple. Amy Lou does something a little different. They do the chicken burgers. And again, fully cooked, packed with flavor. They different flavor profiles, like they have the caramelized onion and Gouda or that Greek style burger. And because it's already cooked, it just like makes, you know, the burger come together so much quicker. Essentially, you're heating it on the grill or getting some grill marks on it. Here's my suggestion to you for a burger night with friends and family. Have a toppings bar. Have different flavored mayos, different mustards, all the different pickled things. You know, now there's all kinds of different pickled things. Throw them all out there, different kinds of cheeses, different potato chips.
Oh, yes.
And let everybody pile on their own burger how they like, right? Because your friends and family probably like mine. Everybody likes something different. So let them assemble their own burger. Let them do it.
Amy Lou's giving me vibes right now. Oh, giving me life.
Yes.
Thanks, Amy Lou. Yeah.
Thanks, Amy Lou.
Now, you've shared so many great tips for us today, but what other ways can people elevate their grilling this summer so they can grill in style? That's right.
You want to elevate your grilling, go to, you can get all of this stuff on Amazon Fresh. You can go to Whole Foods, go to Costco, go to the refrigerated section. You're going to find all these wonderful products there. Go to eatpre.com or amyloufoods.com. Learn more about these great products, great meats. And I know that if you have this stuff ready to go for your grilling time, you're going to have the most fun grilling this summer.
Well, thanks so much, Martina Harafera, for joining us on the show. So nice to virtually meet you. We must do this in person next time. It was so fun.
We do.
We must do this.
We'll do this in person next time.
Yes. Oh, that'd be a whole lot of fun. Oh, my goodness. Well, you take care. You have a great and happy summer to you, my friend.
You as well, Noah. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.